and MNET, Production Accounting Application Demo. Overall purpose.
The production accounting application Acreatives is designed to help MNET have a full view of how production funds are spent online in real time. It has all the functionalities needed by the producer and production accountant to input all that MNET requires to report how funds are spent. Functionalities for MNET Finance. MNET Finance can log into its portion of the application to access all commission projects that have been signed up on the application to access information. At the end of every month, after the reporting deadline, MNET Finance can review monthly reports or up-to-date reports on the commission project. This is done after the reporting period has been closed. The various reports that can be seen include monthly trial balance, period-to-date trial balance, budget versus cost-to-date report, budget line cost monthly details, transaction details per budget line, GL spool, forecast reports, and lots more. The application also features a library segment that enables MNET Finance to validate the numbers. Production houses upload certified true copies of bank statements, petty cash certificates, tax receipts, and payroll reconciliation. This is done at the end of every monthly reporting period. There is a consolidation feature that enables decision makers to compare various productions across many parameters such as budget, actual cost, and forecast. For audit purposes, proof of transaction invoice or receipts is attached to all postings for easy review and validation. MNET Finance has the perpetual right to view these reports and proofs as long as they are reported on the application. MNET also can review the contracts and transactions signed with every vendor in the period under review. A special feature for spending control is also inbuilt. In Nigeria and Ghana, the application was designed to control the spending of production houses. Transactions above 2 million naira and 30,000 Ghana cedis respectively are required to be requisitioned on the application by the production accountant, part approved by the producer, and finally approved by the supervising accountant before payments can be made. Functionalities for production accountant production house. From a production house perspective, the application has enabled the production accountant to easily input all relevant details needed for MNET reporting. These include vendor management. Every project expense must go through a vendor registered on the application. The vendor can either be a company or an individual acting as a cast, crew, or writer. Processing of transactions by category of expenses, such as acquisitions, day players, operational expenses, salaries, and rentals. High-level application dashboard that shows project inflow planner with milestones as per contract. The application is simplified for non-accountants like the producers to see the performance of the production at a glance at the front page of the application. Information includes up-to-date bank balance, project variance analysis, cost to date, and lots more. The application allows users to migrate vendors from one project to the other, making it easier for the production house to report.
Onboarding projects on Acreatives.
Each project is onboarded on Acreatives only after the contract has been signed. This is to ensure that only the financial parameters and milestones agreed in the contracts are inserted at the setup of the project. Acreatives has a setup form that is completed by the production company and sent to the Acreatives setup team with net finance and copy. Data security and privacy. The application is cloud-based. It is designed with robust data security and privacy measures to ensure the protection of user information. We access only those who have a production contract with Mnet and strict control to safeguard data. Additionally, we comply with relevant privacy regulations and best practices to maintain user trust and confidentiality. Each newly registered user is expected to read, understand, and agree to the privacy document upon the first login to the platform. Other benefits. A. Since the application is dedicated to Mnet reporting, regular upgrades are made based on recommendations from production accountants and Mnet finance internal process. This shows the flexibility of Acreatives. B. Mnet and production companies have access to data even after production is completed for decision-making.